अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एंड konnichiwa everyone. Welcome back to our channel. आज की जो वीडियो वी हैव कार which is hey hello, who is there? Hey John, yeah, I still have a Mercedes Benz. You wanna buy? Okay, the car is yours. So the car is sold. If you see the exterior of this car, this is really vintage in the old historical car. This is 1987 model Mercedes Benz 500Sl with the original alloy wheels. अगर हम इसकी इंटीरियर की बात करें, इट्स रियली अ क्लासिक एंड a vintage interior in this car. It's left hand side with the leather steering, like this is leather wrapped around the steering. We can also see the wooden here, the leather seats, and we can adjust the seats from here. This is a button for the window, and we can also adjust the side mirror from here. It's very cool. This door inside is also the leather. It's very good. We have also a place for 2 more persons here. So here it was a short review about this car, and we will try to make more videos related to the cars and other activities like the life in Japan as well. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, so please do subscribe, and see you in next video. Thank you. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.